Welcome to Briscoe Galaxy. I'm Abraham Tabat, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you how to convert a PDF document to a Word document. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification icon so you can stay updated on other upcoming videos we create at Briscoe Galaxy. So let's jump right in and get started. There are a couple of softwares I've used for PDF to Word conversion. This works very well for me. Small PDF. It's not a completely free software. You have access to a free 14 days trial to use this. You can see you can convert your documents from you can compress document PowerPoints to PDF, PDF to PowerPoint. You could convert. They have a lot of features on this website. There are reasons why you would want to change a PDF to a Word document. Let me open the PDF file and try copying the content into a Word document. You will find out that they will be completely messed up. I can use the content from that document. Okay, so this is the document over here, and I want this file. So let me try copying everything like that. Copy, and let me go directly to a Word document and paste the content, and you will see what we get. Can you see? This is completely messed up. Like, I can't use this document like this. So that is why you will need a PDF to a Word converter. Okay, so let's try converting this file and see if we get exactly the format of this ebook. Exactly. So let's use this one. So let's use the small PDF.com website. So let's click here and copy the same file and paste. Okay, so it gives you an option to just convert the file here. So I can choose option here. It's converting the file, and when it's done converting the file, I can get a download version of it. So here it is. I can just click download, and there we go. We have a Word document. So let's check to see if it is structured in the right format. Okay, so let me click this. Now let me enable editing. Fine, you can see it has converted this document to a Word document. You can see everything works perfectly. Or if you're looking for a free converter, PDF to doc converter, you can use this one here. Over here you can see pdf2doc.com. It's a free platform. You don't have to subscribe for any trial. So it's simple. The same way you pick the format you're trying to convert the files to, PDF to doc, you pick the file, you upload the file, and just like that, very easy. So it converts the file for you here. After it's done converting the file, it gives you a download. You click the download, and voila, you have a download document. If I open this, you can see it still works very fine, despite it's also a free platform. It works very fine. Everything is nice and intact. I'm not losing any format, so everything works very fine. Do your thing and have a great time. Bye.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful and you would want other great videos on tech, growing your business and making more money online, subscribe to our channel at Briscoe and click the bell notification icon so you can stay updated on upcoming videos. You can also connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and LinkedIn at Briscoe, or visit us at briscoe.com. Have a great time and keep smashing it. Bye.